In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Microsoft account everywhere and log out on all devices. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. This method works best on a computer, but you can also do it on a tablet if you switch to desktop mode in your browser. In the search bar at the top, type something like, "How to sign out of Microsoft account everywhere log out on all devices," and hit enter. You should see an official Microsoft link in the results, usually pointing to their account security or sign-in page. Click that official Microsoft link to continue. If you're not already signed in, Microsoft will ask you to log in to your account. Enter your usual sign-in details, then complete any verification steps they ask for, such as a code sent to your email or phone. This is important because you'll be managing security for your entire account, including all the places where you're currently signed in. Once you're on your Microsoft account page, look for a section related to security or devices. The exact wording may change over time, but you're looking for something like security, sign-in activity, or devices. Click into that section. Here you'll see a list of devices where your Microsoft account is active, such as laptops, desktops, tablets, phones, or even Xbox and other Microsoft services. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If you see any devices you don't recognize, or old devices you no longer use, it's a good idea to sign out of those right away. Now, look for an option that lets you sign out everywhere, or sign out from all sessions. It may say something like, "Sign out of all sessions," "Sign out everywhere," or "Sign me out from all devices." Click that option. Microsoft may show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to sign out from all devices. Confirm that you do. Once you confirm, Microsoft will begin signing your account out from all active sessions. This may include Outlook, OneDrive, Office apps, Xbox, and any other services using your Microsoft account. After you've done this, it's a good idea to change your password to something new and strong. And, if you haven't already, turn on two-step verification for extra protection. Finally, the next time you use any Microsoft app or service on any device, you'll simply sign back in with your updated credentials, and you'll be starting fresh and secure.